I get it. The number one thing that keeps you up at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering, can Radio Station Builder get any better? Well, oh my goodness. Yes. Cue the confetti dude. It just got better. Hey there, I am Jeff, the Radio DJ dude. Just a quickie to let you know of this cool new feature upgrade inside Radio Station Builder Pro. You come into your dashboard right now, and what do you see? Jingle prompts. Heck yeah. I want to hook you up with pretty proven prompts that generate some decent jingle output over in Suno. Because if you're launching a new station or you're just trying to freshen up your old station, you got to have some cool sung radio jingles, right?
Totally awesome radio.
And here's a jingle for our yacht rock station, Breezy Bay.
Breezy Bay, smooth cruise, ocean views.
And damn it, I better hear a Michael McDonald song after that jingle. I know you folks dig jingles. Now, so you know, right? You know what I'm going to say about Suno. Oh my goodness. Pack 3 gallons of patience, because it is a slog. It is just maddening. A lot of expletives. Close the door if you have children in the house. Just for an example, I shot another version of this video, which I deleted. But in that video, I generated 92 jingles and maybe 3 were usable. God, if you've ever attempted, the Suno jingle creation process, it's a slog, and you have to. I did a whole video. I generated 200 jingles, and maybe, 15 or 20 were usable. But come on, let's be honest. The fact we're even able to generate some usable, decent sounding radio jingles is pretty rock star amazing. In the old days, this would have set you back thousands of dollars. And for us small-time internet radio broadcasters, that is a huge upgrade to our sound. It really, ups our production value. So yes, it's going to take you a while, but if you stick with it, if you keep tweaking, you'll probably end up with a small bucket full of usable jingles. One other thing, these prompts are pretty fine-tuned for Suno's V5. To date, it's, I think, one of its strongest models, but it is reserved for pro users. What does that mean? It means you're going to have to shell out $10 to Suno for 1 month. But here's what I always say. Sure, slide over your 10 note, but then at day 29, you cancel. And if you really hit this every couple days, you're going to rack up a pretty good-sized, hefty bag full of usable jingles. And then in a couple months, you need some more, boom, you hit your credit card again. But anyway, Radio Station Builder, this is the dealio. Your radio station name will already be pre-populated. Choose your format. If your format's not listed, well, no problem. Type it. Then down here, what's the vibe, the musical style of your jingle? We have some options to choose from, or you hit other if you want like heavy metal, death rock, polka. Well, try it. I'd love to hear what you come up with. Target jingle links. Of course, shorter is better. If you want to include your slogan in the lyrics, well, type it here. And then you can generate up to 10 jingle prompts, and you only need a couple. And the great thing with these prompts, you just tweak, you iterate. One feature that really did produce some great results for me was this improve my prompt button right here. And I definitely encourage you to press it, because nobody knows what Suno is looking for better than, the bots at Suno. So let them help you. So if we take this prompt, copy it, bring it over here, let's paste it in. And what I suggest you to do, run this prompt as is, and then feel free to tweak it. And we want to grab our lyrics, pop those in. Just for organization, I like to always, give these jingles a name. I'm going to do, these are V2, take 1. Weirdness, 20 is probably good. Style influence. I give you some, targets to possibly hit. And, who knows? You're just going to have to slide these around, just like over in 11 Labs and their nutty setting sliders. I think, These are designed to extract more credits from the user because none of us really knows what's going on behind the scenes, except the folks, who run these platforms. They know you're going to eat up more credits, thinking you're actually influencing the output. And I think you are, but to what degree, nobody knows. Okay, so I'm locked and loaded. And of course, you want to set your vocal gender. I have female selected. All this looks good. Let's waste some more credits, why don't we? Or, okay, let's try to keep this upbeat. Let's invest some more credits. Because ultimately, we're investing in the sound of our radio station. We're trying to make it sound the best that it can. I mean, expectations for online stations are this low. We never want to settle, in the basement. We want to really kick our station up a notch. And that is one of the goals of Radio Station Builder. It puts you on the right path to sound bigger than you really are. So if you haven't already, I invite you to jump in. Yes, I'm going to keep this launch discount going for a little while. So take advantage of that. And if you already have a station that needs a little fresh infusion of imaging elements, of programming ideas, feature ideas, logos, well, all that is waiting for you over here in Radio Station Builder Pro. Anyway, we're back to Suno. I think we have some new jingles that we created. 3 seconds. This is going to be a loser.
Retro Rush, totally.
Oh, go to hell.
Retro Rush, totally awesome 8.
Eights. Totally awesome eights. Now, that could be my fault. When you have numbers, I think it's best to spell them out. ATs. Let's run this again. I'll give, the bots a break. Not the 3 second one. That just was a royal steaming pile of robo crap. But maybe we get lucky this time. And if not, no 4 seconds. That's going to be a loser.
Retro Rock, totally awesome. That's your
I've got mush in my mouth. I've got neon in my nose. Got a mullet in the back and party on my toes. Retro Rush. Yeah. Anyway, let's improve this prompt. Let's see what the Suno bots come up with. And let's see if it even makes a difference.
Retro Rush, totally awesome crazy. Retro, totally awesome.
Oh, kill me. Just kill me now. And damn, I picked the wrong day to stop adding whiskey to my coffee. God, you're going to need it. Here's the deal. I'm just going to be level with you here. You need one or two things to try to create Suno jingles. Either a lot of booze or religion. Yes, find God. Pray. I think that's the only thing that will help get you closer to something usable. 7 seconds, maybe. 3 seconds, not a chance.
Hi, totally awesome ease. Totally, so righteous. Retro Rush, totally.
Just a colossal, steaming sack of robo shit. So sometimes, all the time, when it sounds like iguana crap, refresh the page, paste, your prompt back in there. Let's grab these winning lyrics and try again.
Retro Rush, totally awesome radio.
Oh, my jingle god. Wow.
Retro Rush, totally awesome radio.
Damn, that is it. Okay, so I'm a little embarrassed to even admit this, but right down here on the jingle prompt page, if your head is bloodied because you just cannot bang it against the wall any longer, look at this little link. View Suno Jingle Guide. Yes, I connect you to my V3 Suno AI cheat sheet for radio jingles. Come to the bottom and you will find Sir Rob Walker of the Jammin' Hot 100 radio station, his custom Suno jingle prompts. I featured him in a previous video. Watch that if you dare. Watch it only if you want to improve your jingle output. What I did, I modified his upbeat dance prompt and I slammed it in here with the same lyrics. And these two jingles are what Suno spit out. One more time.
Rental Rush, totally awesome radio.
I mean, the end was a little long, but after, the 83 other complete dog crap outputs, that is as good as it gets on Suno. Yes, and I got the credits refunded. I got the credits refunded on all these. I mean, even Suno knows crap. So all this to say, good God, what an embarrassing admission. See, we're live. I'm not going to even edit this. Now, I'm not saying that, these prompts are always going to fail. And again, Rob was nice enough to share 4 of his strongest prompts. Study these prompts and then tweak them for your format and vibe. These aren't going to work for every station format. But the master code on this page knows to infuse, the output with these inputs that you select. Like, for example, if we were to do country, right? Let's see what we get. Tight 7-second country jingle, steel guitar, warm male vocal, launch on beat 1, joined instantly by harmonies, no intro vocals, front and center, driving and twangy, fading precisely in final beat. Okay, I mean, that sounds good, right? That should work, but it doesn't always. So my pledge to you, I am going to go back to the coding drawing board and try to shape this prompt a little more to produce a more reliable output. But again, you do have this cheat sheet to pull from. And the primary goal was just to let you know this is now a thing. It's now another tool in your radio bag of tricks that you can use to create really memorable content. I mean, we already have the liner script generator, which will create up to 60 really cool, fun, sarcastic liner scripts that you could use Gemini voices or 11 Labs to record. We have the feature ideas, where this specially tailors and crafts 20 ideas for on-air features that you could launch that are specific to your radio station. Of course, the format builder, the cool clock, which you could build based on the format, the programming blueprint that you come up with. And something that, I've heard from a lot of users is such a time saver and a game changer is this logo generator. And it allows you to enter a lot of custom info about your station. And then look at some of these logos. I mean, that is really top notch for Retro Rush. And, we have different versions and you could add a cassette. All this is waiting for you over in the Pro Studio. And again, you check out that link in the description. A sweet launch discount is waiting just for you. So if you're looking to launch your brand new station with a lot of pizzazz, a lot of flair, great, do it. If you already have a station that you feel could, maybe use a reboot, a little creative refresh, well, all these tools will help you accomplish that too. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention our Pro Builder Challenge, which is still rocking. And I thank you so much, everyone who's taken part. People from all over the world have been submitting their sweepers. Originally, the dealio was, generate some liner scripts here in Pro Studio and then produce them. I mean, that could be as simple as just adding some sound design, a sound effect, and then, either it's the AI voice of this sweeper or it's you recording the sweepers. Send 5 of those in. I'm not judging you on production quality. Heck no. The only thing I want to see is action. That is the main thing. I mean, you're so close to getting your station on the air, or you're so close to, reviving your current sound. Well, I just want people to jump in and take the next step. It's easy to stay stuck in our heads, but I'm hoping this challenge will move you from your head out of your bed online to creating sweepers you can actually use on your station. And yes, there is a small enticement to say thank you to all my Pro Builder users. I'm going to choose 3 of you to slide $25 store credit over at the RadioDJ Dude store. And of course, everyone who enters, heck yeah, I'm going to promote your radio station. So all that is available right here on the Pro Studio dashboard. But where I was going with all that nonsense, now that we have the jingle prompts feature, why not? Let's extend this challenge and say 5 jingles you create, or maybe it's a couple liners, sweepers, and a couple jingles. Submit that, just a total of 5. Maybe it's 3 sweepers, 2 jingles. I don't care. Again, I just want to see. The light went out, and that's a great sign for me to zip my lip. This has gone on too long. You know where I'm going with this. Just get to it. I can't wait to hear. God, this is so moody, isn't it? Suno will steal your soul. But your sound will be worth it. Anyway, go have fun with this. I'm done. Oh, I'm so done. I've got a whole bottle of bourbon and such a small cup of coffee, but I think I'll make that work. I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and until our next little radio rendezvous, or whatever you want to call this nonsense, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.